Can we get free internet from VPN? Mind's Eye says, yes, you can. There are already VPNs that are providing free internet and they have over millions of users cause internet ain't cheap, especially on Africa, and that is the only method that they use to stay online, so it's simply by using starkvpn. It can be on Google Play Store and there are also others, but the most used are Ha Tunnel Plus, and Napsternet also can be found on Play, but I'm using Stark. As you can see, I'm connected to the free internet. Nitish Ranjan says, no, there is no VPN which will give you access to free internet. VPN only encrypts your network and help you to get access to websites which are blocked by your server. If you are trying to get free internet, then you may have to use proxy settings, but that also depends on port no, as that is very crucial in order to access internet. If your ISP detects that you are using proxy, then they will block that. In normal scenario, it is not possible to get free internet by using VPN. Thank you for asking. I hope I have answered your question. Don Barnhart says, no, VPN does not grant you internet, and would not bypass the data limit of your ISP. It encrypts your data flow, so you would need to have an internet access to use virtual private network. It routes your internet traffic through a server in your selected country, making it untraceable. So basically, it is used to add an extra layer of security on the net. Thanks for watching our video on, can we get free internet from VPN?